Okay, in today's video, I'm not going to make any tutorial, but I want to review this mini compressor. My old big and bulky compressor is finally retired, so let's check it out. I already opened the seal and we'll see what is inside the box. So we have here instruction manual. Just in case you guys want to read, you can go up to 21 psi. And airbrush pen holder, and this is the mini compressor. And this is the power source. We are using DC 12 volt 3 amp adapter. I'm going to set this up so we will see it is silent or noisy, or is it any good. So I have set up the mini compressor using my default airbrush, and immediately I noticed something funny. It shakes a lot, like a lot. You could see it move. And this is the lowest air pressure. Let's crank it up. It may sound quite loud in the video, but I'm testing this compressor at 12 at night, and it's very quiet. I'm surprised. It's very quiet. I see it has auto on and off. It has a rubber foot. The build quality is, I would say, a very good quality, considering the price is only like $45 US dollar, and in my country it's like 600,000 rupiahs. Okay, now let's get some paint and do a test paint. Okay, this is the lowest air pressure. Working great. And let's say medium air pressure. Now let's try the highest. Sorry for the noise. I think it's too dry for my paint mix. But overall, I would say this is a very good working mini compressor, considering it is very silent in my place. In the video, I would say it's quite loud, but I don't know. We'll see after I edit the video. So, here you go. A Hobby Mio mini air compressors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and thank you for watching. By the way, this is not a sponsored video.